So what's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone 13 mini that has a no charging issue. So let's plug in the charging cable, see what's going on. So as we plug in the charging cable, we see that it draws only 0.3, 0.5 amp. And if you look at here, it's showing 0%. And the charging sign is not on. Usually a case like this may be a damaged gas gauge connector pin somewhere in here. So perhaps this phone was repaired before, so it's maybe damaged the gas gauge pin. So let's open up the phone and take a look. Remove the screen. Let's take a look what's going on. Let's go to the microscope and let's take a look. Okay, so let's just take some measurement. It's thermal reading. Oh, 2.2, 0.56, 0.58, 0.52. So it looks normal. Why it's not charging? 0.41, normal as well. Let's go voltage. .3 volt. Okay, let's try to see if it's sticking any charge to the battery. So let's test to see if it's charging. Four point. Oh no! Oh, look at this. 3.6 volt. That's too low. No wonder it's not charging. .6 volt. So we need at least 3.8 and up to charge. Now it's fluctuating 4.2, 3.6. So basically it's not charging. Let's test that again. Make sure. 3.6 volt. So basically it's not enough juice potential to draw to. So see, we need 4.2 volts, but it went back down 3.6 again. So something wrong with the charging IC. We need at least 4.2 volts in order to charge the battery. Look at that, it's fluctuating from 3.6 to 4.2. So there's something that wrong with the charging IC. Let's go to schematics. Where's the charging IC is at? The charging port connector. and it goes to right here. So we think this is the charging IC here. So that may be the case. It doesn't look like a charging IC, but this is the TriStar equivalent. So we think this is maybe the culprit here. That's causing an issue with not charging and with 0% showing up. Let's go see if we can connect that to that one. And this goes to where? Nope. So it should go around here, there. Doesn't seem like it. Not much there. Where this one goes to? Goes there. Oh, this one. So anyway, let's try to open this. Yep, that's the TriStar equivalent. So there's a new chip here. Go this way. Perfect. So let it cool down a little bit. So hopefully this will resolve the problem. If not, we have to separate the board. And that'll be a lot of work. So we put the logic board back to the housing. Let's test it. Okay, so we put the logic board back to the housing, and let's test it, just temporarily. So it works. Okay, let's plug it in. Here goes nothing. It's not showing. Oops, wrong button. Oh, wrong. It's powered up, but it's not charging. Here it is. There you go. So the phone is taking in 0.3 amps. It's 78% charging. which is good. 0.87, so 0.9 charging. So it's taking 0.9 amp. Oh, let me turn on. You can see it. There you go. So the phone is taking 0.9 amp, 0.83 amps, which is about right when it reaches about 80%. It tends to slow down the charging, which is right. So phone is working fine now. It's charging properly and power up on properly now. Well, that's guys. Thanks for watching. So we're just gonna put the phone back together and send it back to the customer. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and hit the like button. It helps us a lot. See you guys on the next video. Bye for now.